everyone, this is Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. I hope you're all doing wonderful. So I'm coming on here because I just completed a junk journal. I just thought I'd do a flip through with it. Make sure I'm in focus here. I have been on a block as far as creating things, so I haven't really done much lately, but I just jumped right in and just started doing it, and it really felt good to kind of get back into it. So, but anyways, here she is. And normally I do a lot of lace and things like that, and I left this blank, but I put a lot of lace over here on the there. This is paper. Now, what I did with this, I did use a lot of my digitals. I was going to do a couple different junk journals using the digitals separately, but when I started looking at them, they went so well together. I just put them all together, and there's some of my newer digitals that I have out there, and I'll link all of that stuff down below. Now, the picture here I do have on my Etsy for sale, but just so you know, in my Ko-fi for the month of May, these images are free. And so you can go to my Ko-fi and download these images with the girls and the birds for free for the month of May. And yeah, so just a little extra, and they're really, really pretty. They're just so sweet and soft. So on the front, I've just, like I said, I've embellished it with a lot of lace, some cloth flowers. Now this here, I don't know if you can see this or not, is toilet paper. So you take toilet paper, and I had a mold that was a bird, and I made a raised bird using toilet paper. Sorry, my phone seems to be going off here. So that was fun. I've had it for a long time. I did these a long time ago, and I found it, and I thought, oh, perfect. That's exactly what I needed. And these here are some feathers that I have on here, and I just thought it went really nicely with the bird and the little girl photo. All right, let's see. Oh, and so just so you know, it's 8 by 6, and it's got about 50 pages total in it. It's, you know, it's chunky, but not, some of mine can be like really chunky. This one's not so much. So here we go here. And like I said, I won't keep repeating myself throughout here, but I used several of my digitals in here. So pretty much any pictures that you see or any papers that you see are my digitals. And like I said, I'll link everything down below. So there's this one here. Little pocket. Sweet images. I did put some vintage papers in here as well. Kind of break it up. These here, these I made a while ago. They were just big pieces that I did little collage things on, and so I finally got to use them. I'm trying to really just I've got so many digitals, and use those, and then use everything that I have for it. Sweet little envelope here. And I love all the colors. They're all different kits, but they all just really went together really well. A little belly band here. More vintage paper. And here's another sweet girl with a bird. And she's cute with a flower. This is a gate. Some little lace, little embellishment there. Oops, stuck. I liked her. She's out there dancing. Here again is another envelope. I just put some extra pieces that I had in here. Here's this pretty, not sure where I got this, but it's so pretty. It's wide. And got lots of envelopes in here. Stuff. This here's my strips. Oh my gosh, I've lost it. That I have in here, and I've just kind of cut them up and put that in there. This here, I've made a little side pocket. I've put lace, embellished it. I love this paper. It's so pretty. Here I've got a couple little pockets here. Get another belly band, another envelope. Oops. Trying to get stuff out. Here, another envelope. I liked this because of the newspaper. Some purple lace. Another one of my snippet. I think I made this like 4 years ago. It's been in my stash. Some of the stuff that I have, I just need to start using and putting in. I put some little lace here, some more trim, another little flower. This precious girl here. This here is a pretty tag. Some fabric. Oops. I left some writing spots or to add things. There's another one of those. They're so pretty. Just trying to put them in the wrong spot. Here. Yeah, this is one that I made a while back, but I've added in fact, this has Easter tag in there, but I just left it in there. I guess eggs can be anytime, right? Pretty scenery. There's that pretty paper again. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Some more ephemera here. I love this trim here. It's got little hearts on it. It's so pretty. Here's one of my little flip folios that I had in my stash. Thought the colors worked well. And another little pocket here. And a sweet girl here with her tulips. There's another one of my old folios. This here has a little slide out here. Has a lot of little tiny ephemera inside. I love this flower. There's another envelope. Just kind of added what I had left over. There's sweet girl. Yeah, I didn't realize I did so many envelopes. I did a lot of envelopes in this one. There you go. So I guess not much to it. Not compared to some of my other ones that I've done. But I think it's still pretty. I love the cover. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're all doing well. I miss being on here. I haven't been on here for a while, but I just thought I'd drop in and show this and see how you're all doing. And I hope you're all doing well. All right. Have a wonderful day, and I hope the sun is out for you and spring is sprung. All right. Bye-bye.